And here we want to talk about three simple functions, hour, minute, and second, to extract these data, meaning that hour, minute, and second from a serial number that represent a date and a time. So what I mean by that, for example, if you use the now function, you will have a time value, time serial value in the Excel. So for example, let's change this date to the time. You can see this is the current time of my system that showing in this cell. And by using the hour function, I can extract this hour number from this data value, from this serial number from Excel, and convert it to the regular number. And by using a minute function, I can extract the minute value from the serial number into the regular number. Right now the 43 is the regular number, it's just the 43. And by using the second, if I give the serial number here to this function, I can extract the second from the serial number, which is in the B3 cells. So what I mean by the serial number, if you change this time to the number, you can see this is the number 0.5, which if I want to explain what the meaning of this number is, these integers number before the decimal is representing the number of the days after the year 9000, and the numbers after the point, after this decimal, is representing the time of this time in the Excel. So by using this serial number, I can tell the Excel this is a time value, date and time value. So if I have a number in the Excel, and in this number, if I assume that this is representing the time and date, for example, right here, I can say this is just a regular decimal number 48.48. And this Excel just now think that this is a regular number, but I know this is representing a time. So if I want to extract the hour number from this serial number, I can use the hour function. And right now, instead of having just a 0.48, I can have the number 11 representing the hour of this serial number. I can use the minute and second as well for this number. If I copy paste here and use the F3 value for the minute function and the F3 value for second function, I can see this serial number, which is 0.48, representing the hour 11 minute 31 and second 12 in the Excel. So I now can have just a regular 11 number that I can understand that this is the hour 11 a.m. And how I can use that, for example, if I want to use AND operator for a text operator, combining the text, for example, telling that the hour is double dot hour is 11, I can use the AND operator here. Instead of just writing the number 11 in the text value, which will not be changed, I can use the function hour and then inserting the value F3 here, or inserting the value now here for having the change it in the time, and then press enter button. So I can have the hour is 12 right now. If I want to use second to show you, it will be changed based on the time. I can say the second is, so I can have the second value 44. So right now, if I do something in the Excel, for example, if I press enter here, I can have the updated value. And also another thing you need to remember, that if I add value 1 to this hour function, I can have hour 12. But if I wanna add value 1 to this, I can see this is going to the next date. For example, the date, if I change it to the short date, I can see this is a date of the 8th, it's for tomorrow. And if I want to see the time is exactly 12 p.m. So the time is not changed, but it's add just one day to my serial number. But if I add one value to this function, I just added 1 hour. So this is the thing that you need to remember when you're using the serial number and the hour, minute, and second function. So thanks for watching this video and goodbye. In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diaco Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diaco.co.uk.